HTML5 and CSS3 tutorials for beginners. Outro video. So far, I have shared with you what I believe is critical knowledge that is required for any web developer or CSS designer. And within few hours, you'll gain easy to understand insights that is required to build better websites. Now, in this outro video session, I'd just like to point out the template that you have in front of you, whereby you can reverse engineer. Just keep in mind that in today's technology, this particular template can be extended upon because it actually does have structured data in it, and you can kind of see how you can use structured data, whether it is for local business, whether it's for site navigation elements. So if you're not creating a website for local business, then you can remove all these sample codes and just delete them. And then you'll just have the core template. Now, looking at this template, don't be thinking to yourself that it's too basic. Makes sense? I had this on my own website a couple of years back. Most of the elements here, whether it is the white space, whether it's the line height, whether it's the text size, they are all optimized because I've tested many different things. And furthermore, when you're creating websites for clients, particularly if that client website is to do with some sort of a business and they rely on search engine rankings and so on, then definitely utilize structured data. Now, this structured data is to do with a normal web page, but I can easily say website for the home page. Or if you're using this template for contact page, then you can perhaps use contact page. All these are available in schema.org website for you to explore. Then this, if it's a contact page, then that's a contact page. And search engines who understand that, they can say, I'm looking at a contact page. And remember, accessibility is important as well, so don't disregard that. As in, when you're creating websites and improving your skills in web development and CSS, always remember the usability of your creation. Because, if you were to use this template and perhaps tweak it a little, and let's say you create a blog post, look how clean it is, how easy it is to read. No distractions on the right, left, all this stuff. Now, this may be ideal for perhaps service site businesses. Makes sense? So if you're offering, let's say, web development service or CSS service, then perhaps you can use this template for your own website, knowing that not much work will need to be done on your part, apart from reverse engineering and perhaps looking at the comments I've provided for you. And if you then say, no, I want to master CSS on a different level, then just take a look at these CSS rules, because I've also included some comments for you to quickly read and understand what's going on with certain elements here. Whether it's HTML, HTML5, we know it makes no difference in web development. We just have access to new tags in HTML5 and CSS3. So that means you can take this as a starting point and improve your skills accordingly. At the end of the day, I sincerely thank you very much for learning with me in this HTML5 and CSS3 tutorials.